right, still going, just north of Toledo now, and the temperature went from 36 down to 33 real quick. I guess I'm at about maybe 41.5 degrees latitude. So yeah, I'm going to traverse about 2 total degrees of latitude on this trip. But no, so far, I mean, it's now we're back to airborne snow and not so much rain, but I still need the wipers on because it's hitting and melting. And there's probably some rain intermixed. So yeah, we're crossing the state line right now. Yeah. Now we're in Michigan. Still 33. Check in a bit.